Hi, I'm Gary Wild, President and CEO of Community Memorial Hospital. We recently received a letter from a grateful patient that I'd like to read to you. It's never a good situation to be having a stroke like the one I had on February 4th, 2021. But if there's anywhere want to be taken for proper treatment, it's to the Community Memorial Hospital emergency room at 8:30 a.m. Unfortunately, I'm not able to recall every person who helped me in my crisis, but several stand out, and I would like to very much recognize them to management. Claudia was one of my first nurses that met me and whisked me off to the treatment room. She was there for me, as were many others, who brought down my blood pressure and treated me with TPA to dissolve the clot. She also visited me in the ICU later and to explain that she was also a stroke survivor and encouraged me with her story. When I was taken to the ICU, the nursing staff there were spectacular, friendly, compassionate, and ready to help in my every need. Laura in the ICU was particularly memorable for the care she gave me. Another outstanding nurse in the ICU module was Darlene, who watched over me in the night. And then when I was transferred to the 5th floor, another terrific nurse was on hand to take care of all my needs, Norma. Among the many things she did was to coordinate with doctors, specialists, and staff to arrange for my MRI in order to get me released, even though it was on a weekend. The many physicians who were there for me did a superb job as well. Community Memorial Hospital has a fine facility, one that I was fortunate to visit several times during the construction. But having a fine facility is nothing without a truly professional and dedicated staff working hard with the adversity they face every day. Putting it all together, you have succeeded beyond, far beyond my expectations. Congratulations and thanks to all those who made my road to recovery easy. And Jim, we thank you. We thank all of our staff. This is typical of the kinds of letters we receive, and we so much appreciate this community and for receiving letters like this. We pass this on to our staff, and thank you for responding and caring so much about us. Thank you.